Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LAHO. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this analysis several times before here, and did it yesterday actually on Tuesday. So that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But want to get things updated here. And the previous videos I've been doing the 30-minute time frame, meaning each one of these represents 30 minutes, each of these candlesticks. But here I'm back on the daily because I think the daily does a good job of really kind of just illustrating that, yeah, the price is pulled back, but within the grand scheme of things, everything is still perfectly okay. Now, I know I've mentioned this in the past, but there is a lot of perspective that goes into this, meaning if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought up there, or maybe you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well then, yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough. But just taking a step back and looking at everything from the grand scheme of things, I mean, all we have right now is just a simple pullback. Now, again, if you're a day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, well, I mean, honestly, you should already be out. What are you doing with your stop loss? But that's a whole nother discussion. That's a whole nother video. But the point here being that, assuming you care about the grand scheme of it all and more than just, 1 day or 30 minutes worth of time or anything like that, then, the trend is still very clearly up. And I say very clearly for a couple of reasons. First off, that 50-day moving average, that purple line there, has a nice upward slope to it. Another way to just look at it is, look at where the lows have actually been. So you have a low there, you have those lows down there, and then you have these lows down there before it woke up. And, if you envision those as stair steps, the stair steps are still very clearly going in the upwards direction. So from any really angle you look at it, it's perfectly fine. I'll be the first one. Yeah, pullbacks aren't the funnest thing, but pullbacks can be healthy as long as those pullbacks build higher bases. And as of right now, the higher base is still totally possible. Not only is the price holding above 001, but really if you adjust this level down to 0009 right there, that's got quite a bit of support there. It was the former area of resistance. And just technical analysis 101 states when levels of resistance are broken, and of course it was broken right there, you want to see them act as support. And then there you go. Today acted as support. So you could throw that right into a textbook in terms of how you would want to see a level act after being broken as resistance. So all in all, yeah, it's rough. The price has been pulling back, but that's been a couple of days. Looking at multiple days, multiple weeks, which is what we're doing here, the overall trend is still upwards. And as long as the price builds those higher lows and builds those higher bases, that's what you want to see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.